Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of a brand new 2018 Chevy Sonic RS. For the month of May, Apple Chevrolet is offering all of its customers the option between 16% off or 0% financing for 72 months with an additional $500 added on. Now this specific Sonic is a front wheel drive LT with a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine. Now as you can see, it does come with your black Chevy decals, and when it comes to the wheels, we do have 17-inch aluminum wheels. Now when we get inside the vehicle, you can see that we do have jet black leather seating with a very cool red interior design. Now when it comes to the front of the vehicle, we do have our brand new Chevy MyLink radio and even our standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.